Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute kitty. Have something ready to draw with? Let's get started! To begin, we're going to use up this whole space of the paper. And we're going to start with the cat's head. So you want to kind of get towards the middle of your paper at the bottom, and then we're going to make your way around the whole top. So find a good place, and we're going to make our way around. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start up, curving around, making that arch, and then making our way back down. So my cat's head's a little bit flatter on the bottom. It could be circle as well. It's okay. Let's start making the ears. So we're going to make a curved arch shape, starting with going up, and I curved it a little bit on the top. And then we're going to curve it a little bit again and work our way down. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Curve our way up, freeze, and then make our way going down. Let's get started on making the cat's eyes. So we're going to make a big circle towards the bottom, middle. There's one circle, and make another circle, leaving some space on the top. I'll make a tiny circle on the inside and then an even tinier one on the bottom. Tiny circle on the top, tiny circle on the bottom. This is for the glare. I'm going to quickly color this in so that my eyes look nice and big and bright for you. So let's continue with the eyes. We're going to make cute little eyebrows on the top, curving them more on the outside of the cat's eyes. We're going to make an oval shape for the cat's nose. Or if you want, you can make a curved triangle. Tiny little nose. And then we're going to make a W for the mouth. And make sure that it's close to the nose. 1 and 2. And cats have whiskers, so we're going to make 3 lines. One going out, the other going straight, and then the other one going out. Super simple. Next, we're going to make a curved, wonky looking U shape for the body. So making your way in the body and then out. In, out, around, and back up and in. Let's give our kitty some feet. So we're going to make a C or a U shape for the bottom, right here on the corner. And we're going to make another one in the opposite direction on the right-hand side. There we go. For its paws, its front paws, we're going to make really long U shapes. There's one U, and then we're going to make another U right there. For the cat's tail, we're going to make a very smushed C. So coming around, smushing that C, coming back in. And let's give some curved lines so that the tail has some stripes. There, another curved line. And we're going to give some space. One curved line, another curved line. There we go. So our cat has some cute stripes. And we're going to make more stripes on the body by making backward C's on the sides. There's one. There's another. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now these are actually C shapes. There's one. And let's make another one. There we go. And to continue with the stripes, we're going to make more long U shapes, 3 of them. So this is a short one. We'll make the middle one a little bit longer. And then make another short one. But you can make your stripes any way you like. And then to show that the ears have depth, we're just going to make a diagonal line and then curve. Diagonal line and curve. That's it. Our cute kitty is complete and is ready to color. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.